Carl Alberg's designs are legendary among sailors who prioritize seaworthiness and classic aesthetics over modern interior volume. A Swedish-born architect who became a cornerstone of the American fiberglass revolution, Alberg's philosophy was rooted in the full keel tradition. His boats are characterized by narrow beams, low freeboard, and long overhangs, features that allow them to slice through heavy seas with a grace that lighter, flat-bottomed modern boats often lack. Alberg's career took off during the mid-20th century, notably through his collaboration with Pearson Yachts. He was a pioneer in using fiberglass, a then experimental material. Because engineers weren't yet sure how strong fiberglass was, Alberg's early designs were overbuilt with incredibly thick hulls. This resulted in boats that are nearly indestructible, many of which are still circumnavigating the globe today, much like the Grampians made down the highway in Oakville, Ontario. The 30 and 37-footers were all built right here at the Whitby Boat Works in Whitby, Ontario, Canada, alongside similar boats under the Whitby name. More than 750 boats were produced. If you find these videos entertaining, helpful, or even annoying and boring, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. It helps other people find my videos, and it costs you nothing. The Alberg 30 was perhaps his most iconic design. This weekend racer cruiser was built by Whitby Boat Works. It is a rugged, offshore-capable vessel known for its stability. It remains a favorite for solo sailors on a budget. The Alberg 35 was a larger, more comfortable cruiser available in both sloop and yawl rigs. It offered more living room while maintaining the heavy displacement feel Alberg's was known for. Later in his career, Alberg designed a range for Cape Dory, including the Cape Dory 25 and 28. These are prized for their traditional bronze hardware and ship-shape appearance. For the sailor who values the journey over the destination, an Alberg remains the gold standard of the plastic classic era, safe, beautiful, and timeless. So what do you think? Leave your comments below. Is there a better classic than the 30? Fair winds, my friends. Fair winds.